Alright guys, fresh trade-in, just picked it up today. We got a 2006 Kubota M95S showing 5,693 hours, four-wheel drive, hydraulic shuttle. We're going to start it up and run it around. Brand new tires on the front. Rears still have a little life, will get you by. Three-point arms were down when we got it. We raised them up. Wouldn't go back down. Not sure what the issue is, if it's something with the linkage or what. Tractor is dual speed, but the switch is busted out, so we can't confirm if it works or not. And the instrument panel is not working. Tractor starts, runs good. Wheel drive around, just needs a little bit of love. If you have any more questions, give us a call. We can also get you shipping quotes to your door.